Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the OM System OM-1. So before I crack on with the spec, I just really wanted to say that I am so excited to be talking about this camera because if I'm going to be completely honest, this is not what I was expecting to pull out of the box. It's been 50 years since the release of Olympus's OM-1 film camera, and now here we are with this lightweight mirrorless gem of the same name, packed full of features. We have a quad pixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor, which is 20 megapixels, 80 if you're shooting in high res. And yes, you did hear me correctly when I said quad, not dual. So the OM-1 offers cross quad pixel AF, which essentially now gives you face detection AF in all 4 directions. With 1053 points, it's also super fast with 100% coverage. Not only is this a first for OM system, but it is actually a first for everybody, which is quite remarkable. Because of this new sensor, we now also have AI detection AF, which essentially gives you faster focusing and more accurate tracking of your subjects, such as motor or aerial vehicles, birds, canines, and felines. The handheld high-res shot allows you to capture incredible detail out of your photos with complete ease. We've got focus stacking, which allows you to get higher resolution and deeper depth to your shots, which is now a lot faster than in previous models by allowing you to stack 15 images in 5 seconds. Pro Capture has also been given an upgrade to allow continuous AF and AE up to 50 frames per second, along with single focus at 120 frames per second. 50 frames per second high-speed sequential shooting, an improved ISO range of 200 to 102,400. It's an IP53 rating, so this camera really can take anything you throw at it. It's dust-proof, splash-proof, and freeze-proof, and we've got dual card slots which are both SD. This camera is not just aimed at those that want to shoot stills, because we have some pretty awesome video features too. You can shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second and full HD video up to 240 frames per second, which covers you off nicely for all of your slow motion. We've got internal 10-bit H.265 recording as well as external 12-bit 444 ProRes RAW. Both of these just allow for greater freedom when it comes to color grading. So I think one of my absolute favourite things about this camera is its general handling and kind of how the camera feels to use in the hand. I took this out for a day around London and I just fell in love with it. It was just so nice to carry about with me all day. I didn't feel like it was a heavy load like sometimes you might do if you're shooting full frame. So that's one of the advantages of the Micro Four Thirds sensor, is that it is classic mirrorless. It is that small, lightweight travel camera. One of the other bits that I love about the OM-1 when it comes to its handling is its nice large viewfinder. So this is an OLED high resolution EVF, 120 frames per second blackout free. It's anti-fog, it's got some low light modes in there too, which just means that looking through it and using it is just a lovely experience. The menu system has also been given a makeover, and personally I just find this style a lot more familiar and friendlier to use. When I was out in the city, one of the biggest advantages for me doing some kind of sly street photography was the flip out screen. It is just so nice to be able to have a small camera that you can flip the screen out so you're not holding up to your eye. It's not obvious that you're taking a photo, and you can kind of just subtly capture whatever it is that you're after. I just love that. If you'd like to find out any more information on the OM System OM-1, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.